100 black men of Metropolitan St. Louis hosted a Zoom conference meeting Sunday evening to discuss COVID-19 and how it's impacting the black community. Keithen Stallings from 100 Black Men joined forces with People's Health Centers, Children, Youth and Families, the Urban League, and the director of the Department of Health for St. Louis, Dr. Fred Echols, to educate minority communities on factors that lead to black communities being impacted at higher rates and how to keep their families safe against a possible second wave. President and CEO of the Urban League, Michael McMillan, was one of the guest panelists.
When you look at the zip codes that have been worst impacted, they are typically in the black community locally and nationally.
Black Americans are dying of COVID-19 at 3 times the rate of white Americans. Black communities are concerned that they have not had the same access to testing and once sick are not receiving the same medical treatment.
It has obviously wreaked havoc in so many ways in terms of the number of people that have died that are far greater than the population, the economic toll, and then the number of individuals that have actually been diagnosed with having received, and sadly having the virus.
Stallings released a statement saying, in part, COVID-19 is having a disproportionate impact on the black community due to the structural inequities influenced by implicit bias and racial discrimination and essential jobs that are overrepresented in our community. As the pandemic continues and more data becomes available, it is important for community leaders to collaborate and share information and resources. St. Louis is in this together.
Well, especially as we look at reopening society completely, what we don't want to do is have another spike. And we want to make sure that people have all of the information about what they need to do to make themselves and their families safe.
If you are interested in watching a recording of the conference, you can go to our website at fox2now.com for more information. Reporting live from Central West End, Michaela McGee, Fox 2 News.